Hi friends. I'm your guardian angel and I will guide you throughout your life. There are many methods to make a consistent living, and the best strategy for you will depend on your abilities, finances, risk tolerance, and long-term objectives. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for new interesting videos. Here are a few typical approaches. 1. Employment. The most typical approach to make a consistent income is through traditional employment. You do services for an employer in exchange for a regular paycheck. 2. Self-employment. You can run your own company or work as a consultant or freelancer. This could entail offering your skills, your products, or your expertise in exchange for money. 3. Rental income. If you own property, renting it out to tenants is a way to make money. This could be either commercial or residential real estate. 4. Dividend stocks. By purchasing dividend-paying stocks, you can regularly partake in a company's profits. 5. Interest income. Bonds, CDs, and other assets that pay interest allow you to generate a fixed or variable interest income. 6. Crowdfunding for real estate. Use crowdfunding websites to get involved in real estate projects. Your portion of the rental revenue and profits is contingent upon your investment, which you make along with other investors. 7. Peer-to-peer lending. You can use internet platforms to lend money to people or small businesses and get interest on the loans. 8. Annuities. Annuities are financial products sold by insurance providers that make recurring payments over a certain time frame or for life. 9. Royals. If you're a creative person, a writer, an artist, a musician, you can get paid royalties when your intellectual property is utilized or sold. 10. Start a blog or YouTube channel. If you have a knack for entertaining or are educated about a certain subject, you can make money from your blog or YouTube channel through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. 11. Online courses and ebooks. If you are a specialist in a certain sector, you can develop and market online courses or ebooks. 12. Subscription services. Provide upscale content or services through a subscription model. This might include software, newsletters, premium content, and more. 13. Multi-level marketing, MLM. Although contentious and sometimes linked to fraud, some people do make a living through reputable MLM businesses. Be cautious and do your homework. 14. Participate in research studies or clinical trials. Depending on where you live and how you're feeling, you might be able to get paid to take part in research studies or clinical trials in the medical field. 15. Gig economy. Take part in gig jobs, such as delivering food, driving for ride-sharing firms, or finishing projects on websites like TaskRabbit. 16. Rent out your possessions. You can use internet platforms to rent out stuff like cameras, tools, or camping gear that you possess but don't use frequently. 17. Rent out a room. If you have spare space in your house, think about using websites like Airbnb to rent it out. 18. Mobile apps. Some mobile apps compensate users for doing surveys, viewing advertisements, or finishing easy tasks. It's crucial to remember that each of these approaches has unique considerations, dangers, and potential benefits. To make sure you're making decisions that are in line with your financial goals, it is advisable to do your homework, make a strategy, and even ask for assistance from financial experts before beginning any income-generating activity. Like, share, subscribe and comment.